Hey everyone, Monkey Rich Mike here. We are back with another IAAI walk around. Thank you very much to the good folks at the auction site here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Lots and lots to choose from. Today we're going to take a look at some pretty cool cars, including this new one. You need a little kick in your life? We're going to check out the Nissan Kicks. I know that was stupid. That was really stupid. You probably didn't even want to see my leg, did you? Yeah, check that out. Yeah, that's a mess. That's a hot mess. Day. Monkey, Ren, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Here she is, 2018 Nissan Kicks. Did a little research. Yep, 122 horsepower. At least the 2022 versions are. And 32 to 36 mpg from a little bitty engine. She has a little bit of damage right up front here. This is nothing major. Get you a little Nissan emblem right there. Get you a hood, and you should be good to go. Let's take a look and see what this is actually looking like under here. There she is. It's a little bitty 4-cylinder. Wow. Yeah, okay. This is teeny tiny. Little bitty battery. But everything looks good except for you're missing coolant. Where'd the coolant go? Is the, okay, there's, see how the bumper, little foam piece for the bumper right there is bent? I don't know if it went all the way back into the radiator. It could have. So this one, well, that's disconnected. That went somewhere. Okay, we got a mystery going on. This goes somewhere, that piece right there. Okay. Everything else seems to be kind of okay. Insurance company's been in here putting their mark on everything, and if it's got an X, it's got to go. So let's take a look on the outside and see how she looks. I do kind of like the wheels. Those are kind of cool. This is a little car. Oh, she got a little, yeah, she got it from the back too. Okay, see, I don't know why. Oh, it's cracked. That's why. Yeah, insurance companies are so picky, way pickier than me. I'd be a terrible insurance adjuster, because you can fix that. It's no big deal. That's perfect. Even though it's cracked and missing pieces, that's okay. So you do need a bumper, a tailgate, one tail light, and maybe this trim piece right here. Let's sit inside and see what she looks like. Tires are good. A little bit of tread left on them. And see, this, to me, that's fine, but it's got an X on it. So let's see what the inside is like. Let's check out the Kicks. See if we can get our kicks in the Kicks. Oh, this, okay. This is the hardest seat I've ever sat in. Wow, this is like a brick. Okay, let's move the seat back a little bit. We can't. The seat doesn't, oh, here we go. There it goes. Okay, let's recline. We do have a key and a little kitty cat. Is that Garfield? Nope, just a little kitty cat. She's not going to do anything. I think she's going to be dead as well. Here's your start and stop. Yeah, this one doesn't do anything. It's an econo box. I mean, you can sure tell. No sunroof or moonroof or anything. You get a little bit of back seat. You do get an armrest. There we go. That's a nice little addition. And a touch screen. Oh, a nice glove box. But not much else. There's your fuel door. And your trunk. Your hood, not your trunk. How do you, I can't release the tailgate because it's damaged and I don't want to do that. Okay, well, this is a very inexpensive car that gets good gas mileage, and it's perfect for some people. Maybe with the young family It kind of in a way is a Kia Soul, kind of in a weird way. I like the stitching on the seats. There's not a whole lot of room back here. And you do get some back there for your groceries. A little grocery getter. Okay. Yeah, but this is barely even padded right here. And the seats are like rocks. Oh, this one is softer than the front seat. So the kids will be smiling as they're going to Grandma's house. Mom and Dad won't, because those seats are like rocks up there. Is this a diamond in the rough? Is this a blue diamond in the rough? Look at this Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8. These I've heard good things about. They're Hyundai, so you get a warranty that lasts forever and ever and ever. This is okay, well, she had a little bit of a hit. This is a 2011 Genesis Coupe, and she has been detailed for our viewing pleasure. Okay, let's take a look at the damage first and see if she's even fixable. Somebody liked her because they put on one of these little protective wraps on the front. Ugh. Okay, well, so you need a bumper, a grille, maybe a headlight. I can't open this, so that's going to indicate if it's a run and drive. That's okay. This is weird. Okay. You need a hood. Paint the fender. That's no big deal. Tires have some tread on them. No damage on this side, which is okay. I like the view from the back. I really do. It's a good looking car from the back. Let's see what she's like on the inside. See how much room you get in this car. Oh, so the window went down. Maybe there's power. She's got the power. Ooh, this is not comfortable. Okay, very quickly before we do anything, let's just see if she's going to start, because I can't start the car. Let's see. Here we go. Ready? Okay. Can you hear it? Something's rubbing. Not major, but she does start. So that is good. That's a good sign. And we'll just turn this off. There we go. There's very little gas left in her as well. Okay, this seat is sitting like this one. I can't. Let me see if I can fix this. There we go. Oh, much better. Okay, turn this off. Here we go. This is a nice place to be once you get the seat situated. Little place for your sunglasses. You do get a sunroof. Okay, I can see why people like these. Look where your window switches are, right here on the door. You're driving like this. Very cool, very cool. Little bitty screen for your entertainment. This is nice. This would be a great college car for somebody. Okay, there's all kinds of storage. USB iPod auxiliary right there. 2011. Okay, a little cover for, oh, that must be for your key. I guess if you want to put your key, maybe that's where it goes. Okay, we'll cover that back up. Paddle shifters for the transmission. Nice. Nice. All kinds of controls right here. Okay. I'm starting to feel it now. This is a good little comfortable place to be. Say hello to my little friend. No, she's more than little. She's big. This is a 2008 Toyota Tundra pickup. Yeah. I have not looked at one of these as a possible tow vehicle. They've got her packed in. She is really packed in tight here. They have so many cars on the lot. 338, I believe, going up for auction tomorrow, which is why I can do my walk around videos today. Yep, the auction day is Tuesday, so you get to walk around on a Monday if you're here in Tulsa town. So let's kind of squeeze between the vehicles here. Oh, we got a cover for the bed. That is super nice. Okay, as far as damage, well, it's a work truck. Lots of scratches and everything. Good tread on the tires. Those are cool wheels. Mikey likes so far. Okay, I gotta suck it in. Yep, okay. Here we go. Still looking for damage. I really don't see much of anything. Is this... Okay. Ugh, they got tape on the top of this, because that's going to protect what's ever inside. Yeah, okay. Little plastic piece right here that's missing. She's got some scratches. As far as major dents, I don't see any. I really don't. Tires are really good. Really nice. Okay, let's take a look at the back seat. See what we're working with. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, she's been a work truck. Scratches here, scratches there. Got the leather seats or the vinyl seats, maybe both. Probably both. Some vents for the back seat passengers. Look how much room you get back here though. This is roomy back here. Okay, let's go up front and see what she's got. This is what we're trying to squeeze into. This is how much room we have to get in. Okay. Oh, well, this is nice. Mike is still able to get inside the cars. Yes, at the ripe old age of 32, Mike is able to get inside the cars. One of those statements is a lie. Okay, let's check it out. So, do you like plastic wood? Yeah, it's everywhere in here. But you are way up high. You are really sitting up tall in this one right here. I don't see keys. I didn't anticipate that. I really thought this was going to be a run and drive. Huge. Huge, Caroline, huge. All kinds of... Wow. Okay, all kinds of ports for electronics. Tow and haul button right here. Traction control. Your back window, I guess, does something. Look at this. Okay, this is nice. I just wish I had a key. Dadgummit. I have really been thinking about one of these as a tow vehicle. One, Toyota reliability. Two, big old trucks, and they're different. Okay, it's not a Ford, it's not a GMC, it's not a Chevy. Something different. We do have a little thing on the windshield right there, but that is way down low. That wouldn't bother me at all. Give this a good cleaning, and this would be a nice truck. If we could get her started. Doggone it. All right, that's going to do it for yet another IAAI walk-around video. Thanks to the good people here at the Tulsa location. Yep, general manager, super nice guy. The staff in the office, super friendly. And I am told if you want a job here, a CSR, customer service rep, they're looking to hire. So you can get yourself a job and work for some super friendly people, folks. We're continuing our search for the coolest car in the lot. So you're going to see that coming up in a video very, very soon. We've got to find something to tow with as well, because Mikey got to sell some cars. Mikey got to sell some cars. Okay, folks, have a great day. Bye.